As a new puppy parent, we know that you want to do everything you can to ensure your furry friend gets off to the right start. One way to support your puppy's health and well being is by considering the use of supplements. Some of the benefits of using supplements are that they may promote healthy growth and development, they may improve digestive health, they may boost the immune system, and they may aid in joint health. Supplements can provide an extra boost of nutrients that supports your puppy's growth, development, and overall health. By including supplements in your puppy's new diet, you can help ensure they get off to the right start and thrive in their new home.